What's up YouTube? I hope you're all having a great day today. This is part one of my modifications in preparation for a tune by Ron Watson from Phatbotti Tuning. Alright, so we're going to take the fuel pump housing out. First we're going to unscrew these Phillips head screws. Flip this over. Unplug the harness. Disconnect the fuel lines. This might get messy, so I'm gonna put some paper towels here just in case. A couple 8mm that take off. So we're going to take this thing apart. First thing is the C-clip on the spring side. So this is the spring side.
Flyers?
Pliers.
What's that?
Oh, never mind, I got it. Alright, once we got the C-clip out, I'm going to take the top hat off, I think. Oh, maybe you have to unplug it first. Let's unplug it first. Nope. So I might have to take this thing off. Let's see. That and this. For that, we take this plastic piece off. Okay. Taking the old fuel pump out. And I gotta somehow cut this thing off. How am I gonna do that? Alright, so I gotta cut this piece off, and then I gotta cut a slit on this guy so it goes around those nubs on the new fuel pump. And I'm gonna try to figure out a way to do that. So, pause. Alright, so we have the new pump. I put the OEM spacer on already, and we're going to use 2 of the O-rings in addition to the OEM spacer. 1, 2. Alright, so what I had to do for the OEM spacer, I had to cut a slit so it would fit around those nubs. Alright, we're gonna put some lube on the O-rings. Now we're gonna put that in to where the old pump was. Alright, seems to be fitted in there. And take the new plug, plug it back in. Let's see. So this one goes to this guy. I'm gonna try to shove this back in. So we got this back together. It was a pain getting this thing back on because I couldn't figure out how exactly these conduits go. But yeah, it took some finesse, but got it back together. So now we're gonna go put it back in the tank. Alright, we're done installing the fuel pump. So fuel pressure looks good. Everything else looks good. Let me take it for a little ride.